Hello everyone, James Breen with EFI, sharing another very informative video with you guys. A feature that a lot of people don't know about that could be extremely useful in our color print world are features that we have in Color Profiler Suite, but starting with Color Profiler Suite 5.4 and Command Workstation 6.5, we have integrated one of the features in Color Profiler Suite into Command Workstation. So the feature I'm talking about is called Fiery Verify or Color Verify. So here's the conditions. You need a licensed Color Profiler Suite. Has to be licensed on the station where you are using Command Workstation, which means your Spectro, which is the license key for your Color Profiler Suite, needs to be plugged in there. But when you have a license, which is the spectrophotometer, and it's plugged into the PC where you're running Color Profiler Suite and Command Workstation, you have availability to this feature. And here's what it is. So if I just right click on this job, let's say before I print this job, I want to verify that it's going to meet my color standards that I have approved for this engine. All I have to do is right click on the job, and there's this, because Color Profiler Suite's active here and I have a license, this color verification is available in that menu. You would not see that normally. I'm only seeing it because Color Profiler Suite, again, is licensed and running. So what's going to happen in this particular job, it's going to say the job needs to be processed before testing. All right, so we're going to say next. It's going to process this job. And then it's going to come up and ask us, hey, what verification preset do you want to measure against this? And what is your tolerance set? So let's just say for now we want to go against Grackle and we want to use a validation print. Okay, if I click next, this is now going to send a target to the engine. It's going to process this target. You're going to pick your measurement device. So for those who have an inline device that, let's say it's a machine that has a full width array that's inline, or an inline sensor, or an inline spectrophotometer, that's what you would be selecting here. I'm not connected to an actual engine, so I can only see what's programmed in the software. So for me, I'm going to pick this ES3000, okay? And then basically, if you want warm-up sheets because the engine's cold, you would put that in here. But basically, you would print this. Now, I'm not connected to an engine, so this isn't going to print. So I'm not going to be able to show the whole process here. But ultimately, what would happen is this would pop into a screen that's asking me now to measure those prints. And then at the end, I would get a chart that shows me whether or not that print is going to meet the standard that I'm trying to match, or it will not. It'll give you a color wheel. It'll show every single color measured. It'll give you the delta E of the colors. And at the end, it'll give you an overall delta E, and it'll give you a pass or failed. So unfortunately, at this juncture, I can't show you that, but you can see what it'll look like. So it's, again, the qualifications to have this feature is a licensed copy of Color Profiler Suite on the Command Workstation that you're running this from, and you can color verify each job. All right, hope this helps. Thanks, guys.